I come from Bumbuckle Bed, Grenada.
Let me tell you where me come from. Vinci, where me come from.
Hey!
Fuck girl, make money, boss gun that we slow.
What them this? Did they ask me to tell where him come from?
Sex outside, tell the pussy them try. Sex outside, tell the pussy them try. B.I.L. M.I.L. Nick Duppy bring fly. Send Paul Loveless bump on you gon' die.
We have a song with them called Vinci Bad. What's good YouTube? It's a boy Tariq Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're back with another St. Vincent and the Grenades reaction for you guys. But guess what this song is called? This song is titled Vinci Bad. Remember now, we have Trini Bad, you know. We have Bad Barbados, you know. We have Vinci Bad right now, you know. We have Greens Bad too now. I said them Greens Bad. Send me that song there if you don't come from Grenada right now. But guess what, people? Like the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And I post every single day. Few to 3 to 4 times for the day. This is the second video of today. How you doing, mofo? We're out here, we're grinding to shine. We're grinding to shine. We work to shine. Right now, see, after I post this video, I'm supposed to be at 19.7k subscribers. No, 19.6. You understand me? I try to say, yo, people. Crime Star General, big up yourself. That's the artist name, people. Link to the original song is going to be down below in the description of my video. After you watch Reaction Boss Reaction, people, I want you to go click the link and go and support the artist. You understand me? Go over there, like up them video, and make them know the Reaction Boss sending you over there. Make the artist know that I am the one who sent you back over there to watch the video, if you never watched the video yet. You see me, I say? Because I know it's a song bad, you know. I know the song yet, but song bad. Because I know the Reaction Boss, the Clash Hype, man, the Hype channel over here, so run to. Comments them, run? Comments them done. Run tune!
Yo, Stampy.
Alright then. Yo, Stampy.
No other move. 784.
What?
Vinci Bad. Yo, Toxic.
Toxic.
You know the thing with that.
Toxic that come from Bumbuckle Bed, Grenada.
Let me tell you where me come from. Vinci, where me come from.
Hey!
Fuck girl, make money, boss gun that we slow.
What them this? Did they ask me to tell where him come from? Vinci where him come from, brother. What the man know about Vinci? The man them fuck girl and make money. That's all. The man them know about Vinci. What you hear about? Yo, go on.
Never take program. We have a girl in a better roll and a smoke one.
What?
Me backpack full of Trojan.
What?
High grade with a little bit of grabber. Can't dish and rum it make me stagger.
Yeah.
Play loose bally take 9
Sad.
Let me tell you how it work. The talks in the scheme and we did them off it work.
Oh my God, I want to hear the song just stop. But watch ya. You don't like that for roll out. Let me feel what's enough for me to blood. But watch ya. You ask me where him come from. The man say him get him in bed. I smoke so. Youth. You have to run back in that tune little teeny bit. Run tune.
I'm not stamina. Let me tell you how it work. The talks in the scheme and we did them off it work.
What?
Can't get no hands out. But the boy drop dirt 784.
Bow! Straight. The thugs in the street every day them have for Bumbuckle, run back in that tune. Go on.
The work now get no hands out. But the boy drop dirt 784. And we are run this earth.
Yeah.
Listen to me when me chat. Cause me bad for real. Swear to God is a fact.
He does have police to make him chat people because he's bad for real. You understand me? So now we're going to people who are going to listen to the man and make him chat. So talk your talk. So talk your talk in the comment section, people. Talk your talk. Talk your shit.
Them head top later on in the night. Them girl me have that. Where me come
From Vinci. Come from.
Fuck girl make money boss that is slogan.
Yeah, that's the slogan of Vinci.
We have a girl in a better roll and a smoke one.
Man, have them girl in a better roll and a smoke one. Some like shit me see me got here now. Go on.
Trojan, high grade with a little bit of grabber. Can't dish and rum it make me stagger.
Yeah.
Play loose bally take 9 stamina. Vinci, where me come from. Rise the rifle with the scope and the wrong pan. Bust off them head and left them at the junction. Boy, you feel dead from the rifle a function. Hold on, reload and just it. Me see the pussy them a this so them a get it bad. One side in a my scheme. Current a kick that a my thing a soft like ice
So
cream.
we come from Vinci, where we come from. Fast right now. No more answer to give me no honest opinion upon the song. Tell me say the song no bad. If the song no bad, man, you're wrong. You're wrong. Vinci bad. Instead, you're not going to chop out teeth. People want to think about the song in the comment section. If you think the song bad, just comment the 5 emoji. Let me say. Right tune.
I'll make money, boss, them that's the slogan. And we never take program. We have a
Second verse or third verse, this? Verse, no, man.
High grade with a little bit of grabber. Cause this time rum, me stagger.
Yeah, stronger make him stagger. Let me know.
Let me tell you how it work. The talks in the scheme, every day them have to work. Now
Yeah.
no hands out, but the boy drop dirt.
Yeah.
And we are run this earth.
Yeah.
Listen to me, make me track.
Yeah.
But for reach way to God is a fact.
Yeah.
Bust out them head top.
Yeah.
And in the night, them girl me have that. Where me
Come from, Vince, yo, come from.
Fuck girl,
Bus gun.
bus gun, that is
Slogan.
And we never take program. We will have a girl in a we better roll and a smoke.
Yeah, boy, it's a little vibe. You know, I like a little vibe, for real, lad. Tough. People, support the artist, them. Support the artist, them. And support me by liking the video so the video get recommends to more people. You see me, I say thank you for checking out the Reaction Boss video. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to click on one of Tariq Vlogs video them. Because you know, I'm not going to turn it down. Anytime I click on one of my video them, we know say a straight bumbuckle better entertainment over here, so dog. We no big friend. No, we no running. We thinking link us there, yo. Vince bad. People don't ever send Vince big up on himself. I am signing out.